Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I'm back in my usual morning walk in one of the quiet villages near our community. And just for you to get the look and feel of this village, let me just pan my camera. Okay, so last time I was able to clock in at 14,299 steps. The weather was good that day, so I had a good walk. So let's just hope the weather will be kinder and good today, so we can cover more areas. And let's see how far my feet would bring me and how many number of steps will I be able to clock in today. Okay, see you.